BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, fan and dehumidifier with remote. Extended adjustable window kit. The specific model may come with screws to keep the window kit in place. Enjoy portable cooling with this 10,000 BTU. Portable air conditioner featuring a dehumidifier that removes 46.5 pints of moisture per day. Next, connect the vent hose to the window kit. With your model properly installed and vented, you can start cooling immediately. Just plug it in and program your settings. Digital controls offers precise temperature settings, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. A 24-hour on-off timer lets you preset a cooling schedule to save electricity. The 10,000 BTU's cooling power keeps a room up to 300 square feet cool and comfortable, and partially cools an area up to 400 square feet. The 2-speed fan and 4-way air direction help spread cool air evenly throughout your space. Washable and reusable air filter saves money on replacements.
To use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone, search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
Whynter ARC-14's 14,000 BTU dual hose. Portable air conditioner, dehumidifier, fan with activated carbon filter. Plus storage bag for rooms up to 500 SQ feet, platinum and black. Whynter is going green. With this new eco-friendly CFC-free, lead-free and high energy efficiency portable air conditioner, you can stay cool while keeping with better environmental standards and reducing energy consumption. This Whynter Green ARC-14's portable air conditioner features the eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant and lead-free RoHS-compliant components. This unit features the patented advanced auto drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual hose operation provides fast cooling. This unit can cool up to a 500 SQ feet space. Ambient temperature and humidity may influence optimum performance. Comes with a protective cover with pocket that will protect your portable AC unit plus store your exhaust hose, window kit, remote control and user manual. The Honeywell Minnesota Series portable air conditioner has a sleek modern design, cooling and dehumidifying areas up to 450 square feet. With 3-in-1 technology, this portable air conditioner delivers optimum cooling and dehumidification. It also has a fan-only function. The full-function remote control allows you to operate each feature from across the room. Unlike a fixed AC, this unit requires no permanent installation, and 4 caster wheels provide easy mobility between areas. Plus, the auto evaporation system allows for hours of continuous operation, with no water to drain or no bucket to empty. This model comes with everything needed, including a flexible exhaust hose and an easy-to-install window venting kit. The window vent can be removed when the unit is not in use. Powerful, safe and dependable, cools rooms up to 350 to 450 SQ feet. Thermal overload protection for added safety and peace of mind. Quick installation, easy to install window venting kit included with adjustable window bracket from 19.9 to 47.25, easy maintenance washable filter designed to protect from dust and hair to extend product life and performance. Filter cleans easily under a faucet for easy maintenance. Designed for comfort, enjoys simple digital control with 3 fan speeds, 24-hour energy saving timer and remote control included. 3-in-1 appliance, powerful cooling in the summer, dehumidifier for humid days, removes up to 66 pints 24 hours with continuous drain on.